Martindale Abrasion cum pilling tester is a widely used instrument in the textile, leather and coated fabric industry to determine the resistance of materials to abrasion and pilling under controlled conditions. It simulates natural wear by rubbing a sample fabric against a standard abrasive or fabric in a defined pattern, under consistent pressure. Applicable international standards. For more details on testing procedures or equipment recommendations, contact us anytime.